Alright guys, now we got it set. So you can adjust this, and man, it's definitely different. You know, it's gonna take some getting used to. Hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are reviewing this eye care device, and this is crucial for those that use their eyes much harder than others. If you are staring at a screen all the time or squinting all the time, this is something that your husband, your wife, your coworker, your boss, everybody is going to love. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you actually get. Alright, so this is it. Right away we see they provide you with a charging cable and the user manual right inside here. So pretty much this looks like it would be snow goggles, but it's not. It's a massager for your eyes and around your eyes, which will help you relax. Look how stylish that is. So on the front you have your power button, and you also have probably your mode button. That's nice, guys. Look how stylish that is. So each individual piece here, how to explain it would be like a joystick, controller, remote, moves around. Under here is where you charge this, because it is chargeable, rechargeable. Adjustable strap. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put it on, test it out for a little bit. See you guys in a bit. So guys, there's actually music on here. Can you guys hear that? So let's see, my hair's getting in the way, but can I find the mode here? We gotta get used to this. Alright guys, now we got it set. So you can adjust this, and man, it's definitely different. You know, it's gonna take some getting used to. Trying to look through my GoPro lens here to see if we can find the mode here. Yeah, so there's different modes. Oh, was that power? I think that was power. There we go. Yeah, so there's definitely different modes.
Integrated model. Pulse massage.
Pulse. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, it feels so weird.
Pulse massage off.
So there's just different modes that you can do. Oh, that one feels good. I like that one. Whoa. Whoa. That is so... Wow, guys. So yeah, overall, this is nice. It's definitely something to get used to, though. Like, this is the first one I ever got because I'm always, you know, on the computer. But yeah, you know, it's definitely something to get used to. But it feels weird, but yet good.